women here who have hearts of light and hearts of gold, and you can see that in their face. And all they need is just an opportunity, someone to give them a little training, a little opportunity to better themselves and their families and their communities. And this is one step in that, in allowing them to have some trade or some tool that they can learn, that they can utilize and provide resources. It's one thing to just give people food, but to give them a tool that they can keep with them for the rest of their life and benefit their families and their communities. This is a beautiful thing, mashallah. And these women, these are the lights of our ummah, and their children, their families are the future lights of our ummah. So investing in them is something that we must do. It's a beautiful project. May Allah bless you and reward you. Bless the Besmer Foundation.
Jazakallah khairan. Dr. Ahmed, you come from USA or visit our Basma project.